this video, we are going to check out the 5 best garment bags. Let's get started with the list. Number 1, Best Overall. ZEGUR Suit Carry-On Garment Bag. Made from fray-resistant 1800D polyester, the garment bag is EVA foam padded and has an elegantly imprinted full interior lining. The interior has several zipper pockets along with a Velcro pocket, while the exterior has a convenient pocket that allows for easy access to things like your phone and wallet. This garment bag can be easily transported thanks to the top carrying handle, the adjustable and detachable shoulder strap, and its ability to attach to your luggage. A classic look perfect for both women and men, it's easy to see why so many people think this is the best travel garment bag. Number 2. Amazon Basics Premium Travel Garment Bag. The Amazon Basics Premium Garment Bag is a must-have for frequent travelers and those who love to be organized. The interior of this garment bag has enough space for up to 3 dresses or suites while still allowing plenty of room for shoes, ties, belts, and toiletries. 2 tie-down straps help to keep your garments secure. The interior has several mesh zipper pockets that offer great airflow, add extra storage, and make it super simple to find your items. In addition to the short loop handle, the bag also includes an adjustable and removable shoulder strap for easy carrying. Number 3. Modoker Convertible Garment Bag. It's hard to argue with this being one of the best garment bags for traveling. When used as a hanging garment bag, the bag has space for your garment as well as interior pockets for things like ties and small electronics. When using it as a duffel, it has a 45-liter capacity. There's one side pocket for things like your passport and keys and another pocket that's designed for both business and travel shoes. The detachable shoulder strap and back flap design that allows it to attach to your luggage are additional conveniences that make it one of the best rated garment bags available. Number 4. Travel Select Amsterdam Business Rolling Garment Bag. Traveler's Choice has successfully created one of the best rolling garment bags available. The inline skate wheels allow for simple maneuverability while also being corner protected. The bag has a 1200D two-tone polyester construction with a front panel that's EVA reinforced. In addition to the collapsible handle, the top carry handle makes it easy to lift, and there's a center strap that's built to carry an extra item like a travel briefcase. The interior has a spacious main compartment that includes tie straps to keep items secure. It's safe to say this is one of the best garment bags for business travel. Number 5. DALIX 39 Gray Business Garment Bag. DALIX offers high-quality, colorful garment bags that have plenty of storage and are easy to transport. It can fit up to 2 suits or around 8 shirts. The hanger opening allows you to easily store it in your hotel room closet or even in your vehicle. The inside is accessed by a zipper and the outside has 2 convenient pockets. Offering you 9 color choices so you can stand out in style while you travel, there's no wonder why the DALIX 39 inches foldable garment bag is one of the best suit carrier choices on the market.
Thanks for watching the video.